If you use a computer, you probably use a UPS. But when its battery dies, we often have to take it to a repair shop or buy a new one, which costs a lot of money. Today, we'll show you how to replace your UPS battery yourself and save some cash. Let's dive in. Before we go any further, I invite you to subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech videos. First, you need to unscrew all the nuts. Then, carefully remove the plastic base. There it is. The most important thing is to remember the correct terminals. You can leave all the other parts as they are since we don't need to touch them. Now, safely disconnect the wire connectors from the terminals. Next, we'll replace the old battery with a new one. The only thing you need to be careful about is choosing the right size and voltage. You can buy these from a local store, which is the best option, or order them from eBay or Amazon at a reasonable price. In my case, I'm using a 12V battery. Now, place the new battery in the correct position and reconnect all the wires to the right terminals. This next step is very important. You must charge the battery for at least 8 hours before using it for the first time. Hope to see you soon. Bye, friends.